What's the meaning of aneurysm? Aneurysm. 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 Aneurysm.
An aneurysm is a bulge or ballooning in a blood vessel, usually an artery, that can potentially rupture and cause life-threatening internal bleeding. The weakened vessel wall can balloon outward due to high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, genetic factors, traumatic injury, or infection. A ruptured aneurysm can lead to severe brain damage, stroke, or death. Symptoms of an unruptured aneurysm may include headache, blurred vision, neck pain, or other neurological deficits. Treatment options include minimally invasive procedures, surgery, or monitoring for changes in the aneurysm over time.